8 p.m. in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where police respond to a suspected drunk driving crash that has left one person fighting for their life.
Hey, is anybody in here? Where are the people? There's nobody in that car. Who was in that car? You two were in that car?
These two are in that car.
Are you okay?
He's not okay.
He's not okay.
He is not okay.
And I have a...
What's going on?
He's struggling to breathe. Well,
He's struggling to
Okay,
breathe.
why don't you sit down here real quick, okay? You're struggling to breathe?
I got some pain right here.
Okay. You have any? What happened?
I don't know.
Who was driving?
Me.
You were driving? Okay. What all happened here?
I don't know. I crossed the intersection.
Hey, you want to get a rescue over here as well? He's having trouble breathing.
Don't.
So you were driving.
Nope.
I was driving.
Don't say anything more than that.
I was driving.
Yeah, you're driving.
Okay.
I have some pain right here on the
I
ribs.
need to make
Okay.
sure this guy's okay.
You don't. You need to stay over here.
Police identify the suspect seen here as 51-year-old Rebecca Salomon, a now former elementary school associate principal, and her husband, who says he was her passenger at the time of the crash.
They're taking care of him.
What's going on? Just stay here. I get it.
This pain right here.
Okay.
Yep. I will help you find your phone.
Don't say. I don't know what's.
Let's just get your husband taken care
I
of.
just want you to be okay, and I want him to be okay.
Well, you can't do anything about that. He's in really good hands right now.
Where were you guys coming from?
We were coming from that direction.
I need.
What do you need?
I just need to walk. I need to breathe.
Okay, well, you need to stay here. I need you to stay here, okay?
You can't tell me.
breathe.
You can't tell me.
You can breathe if you're standing. I need you to stay here.
You
All
can't
right.
tell me not to
There's
breathe.
something's wrong.
Okay, I understand that. We're working on him first, okay?
Yeah. I don't need. Let me breathe for a minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is he okay?
We don't know right now.
Oh my
So,
gosh.
what happened? Where were you coming from?
I was coming from that
You were
direction.
coming. Enough out of you.
Yeah.
So.
Enough out of you. Do you want to knock it off? Knock it off.
He's okay.
Stop. Back up. Stay back. Knock it off. What is going on?
I haven't done anything. I just got in a car wreck.
I came from Lucky Shot.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
You're done. Cut it out.
He's hurt. He's hurt.
I didn't do anything.
He's
I was
hurt.
in
He
a
can't
car
breathe.
wreck.
He can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
I'm the one.
469 County. We have one detained.
I drove.
Come back here.
Why are you guys?
I'm gonna get
Stay right here.
out of here.
Okay. What's going on?
I came from that direction.
Okay.
From Lucky
You stop at the
Shot.
stop sign?
I did stop at the stop sign. And
So
then
what
I
happened?
Came through, and the car ran into me. And that's the thing.
So he was going. So
He
you were.
was coming this way. I was coming this way.
Okay.
I stopped at the stop sign. He came this way. And,
So where?
And that's my car.
Okay.
But
How much have you had to drink today?
I had a few drinks at Lucky Shots.
Okay. And you were driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
Okay.
I want to make sure that guy is okay.
We don't know if he's okay.
I know. And that's my biggest concern.
Okay.
My husband also can't breathe.
Okay. Yeah, they're going to be checking. They're going to be checking him out in a minute.
I just want to keep him.
Were you? When did you get here?
Right after it happened.
Who was in the driver's seat of that car?
Don't know. They were both there. I went to that car first. I did not see them get out of that car. I understand your question, but I saw that guy slowed sober. If I was there first.
I'm trying to figure out what happened with this investigation, and you were starting to square up on me. That's what's going on. I need to know what happened so we can figure out what's going on here tonight. I don't need you squaring up on me when I'm doing a crash investigation. Do you understand? That's all I'm going to say to you right now.
Investigators said Rebecca allegedly failed to yield at an intersection, causing the crash that left the other driver, identified as Dave Cornea, hospitalized for 5 days before he reportedly passed away.
So now he's saying, the woman's saying she was driving that car, and this is the guy that's a passenger, her husband.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
I was being responsible.
She's,
She might be 5'5".
yeah.
She didn't drink my.
I'm going to get some pics real quick of everything. So,
This is
that's him. Okay. Did you this way, going eastbound? She said she stopped and made it through the intersection, and in the middle of the intersection is when this car going south T-boned her in the intersection. But I'm not sure where impact happened.
Yeah, I don't know where it happened. It had to be right in the middle.
But I was trying to, Sarge, I was trying to talk to her about what happened, and he started to square up on me and said, don't say anything, don't say anything. And that's when he like cocked his fist back a little bit, and I was like, no, we're not playing this.
I don't understand why I'm arrested.
He had a 32 on?
Yes. Yeah. Finley pulled it off him.
Okay.
He said he's got a CCW, but he's got it too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here, but
So she's the one driving it.
yeah. 10-4, thank you. Okay. So you said you were coming from Lucky Shots.
Yeah.
Okay. You were coming eastbound on Rusco here.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's eastbound or
Yep,
that way.
that way eastbound.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay.
But
Okay. Stop at the intersection. You started going through,
yeah.
and then he hit. Where about in the intersection did he hit you?
Like right dead center.
Okay.
And that's when I ran right into
tried to find out more.
the side.
Okay.
Hey, can you guys stop sweeping?
Hey, hold on.
Yeah, we might need a. Okay.
Because
So.
my dog is sick.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay. What is
I've
it?
had a few drinks.
Okay.
I've had
What's
three
a few? It's
I've
different
had
for everybody.
3 drinks. I've had 3 drinks.
3 drinks.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of drink? Beers,
A
wine.
margarita.
3 margaritas.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kept pouring like soda water.
And
in
we're
my drinks.
sticking with the story you were driving.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I
You
was
100% were driving.
I was 100% driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was 100% driving. My husband Adam can't breathe.
I know.
He-
They have.
Right immediately he said he wasn't able to breathe, and then that guy wasn't moving.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So.
I kept pouring soda water in my drink.
Okay.
So I
Yep.
had drinks, but I kept pouring water in my drink. My dog's also sick. If I can call my parents so they can go to my house to get my dog.
We'll be able to deal with that in a minute. We have a couple other things we need to deal with first, though. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think it needs to be recalled?
I'm the one that was driving.
Rebecca admits to having at least 3 margaritas at a bar before the crash. Next, officers decide to put her through field sobriety tests. Let's see how she does.
So because you had some stuff to drink tonight, okay, you kind of slurring your words a little bit, your eyes are a little bloodshot and glassy, and the crash that occurred, I want to put you through some standardized field sobriety tests. Would you be willing to do those?
Yeah, I prefer to get a blood test.
Well, we'll talk about that later, but I need to run you through some tests first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't we, hey, Sarge, I'm gonna run her through SFSTs quick. I'm just gonna probably do them back here real fast, okay? Okay. You just wanna stand by with me? Okay. All right, let's go back here in the back of this car. You can put your, yeah, you can put your purse down. Okay, that's all right. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No.
No guns, I saw a CCW in there for you.
Yeah, I do have a
You don't have a gun on you, though?
I do not have a
Okay.
concealed, no.
Do you mind if I search you real quick, just to make sure?
Yeah.
So you said you had 3 margaritas, right?
Yeah. But I kept filling my third with soda water.
Okay. So I have a couple other questions before we start, okay? So what time did you get to Lucky Shots?
It was at the Packer game, so
So-
3:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from 3:30 until the crash occurred, you only had 3 drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I kept filling my third drink with soda water.
Yeah. You can grab mine real quick. I'll unlock my squad. Okay. So at like 3:15, or the game started at 3:15. So is that, did you get there for the start of the game?
We got there right at the start of
Okay.
the game.
So you got to Lucky Shots at like 3:15.
Yeah. Or I mean, yeah, 3:15.
Sure. Okay. And then what time did you leave Lucky Shots?
I mean, we just left, so.
So roughly shortly before, like, to get over. It's not that far away, right? So
Yeah, like-
do you have an estimated time when you left at all?
It was a little after the game ended.
Okay.
It was a little after.
A little after the game ended?
Yeah. I mean, we stayed and talked a little bit, and then we left. But we
Okay.
knew we had to get home because of my dog needed antibiotics.
I got you. And we'll figure that, and I promise you we'll be able to make phone calls and figure out that, okay? First test I'm going to have you do, it's going to be a test of your eyes, okay? So all I need you to do, see what color this pen is?
Red.
Red? Okay. So I need you to do is follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I need you to stand with your feet together with your arms down at your sides. Just get your toes together. I know it seems kind of tedious, but we have to run them a specific way. And just stand like that and then follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Mm-hmm. 469, can I have you on field? And then with your right foot, stand in front of it, standing heel to toe. Okay, so left foot on that line, and then put your right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
Wait, am I going on that line?
No,
or am
just
I
an imaginary line in front of you.
And where am I going?
Right now, I'm just trying to get you into the starting stance. So left foot on that imaginary line with the right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
I don't know if I could do that sober. Okay.
Okay, so can you switch your feet for me? Left foot with your right foot in front, okay? Now you're gonna stay like this while I'm explaining this test to you, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be taking a series of 9 heel to toe steps down that line. All right, you can begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, all right, you can turn and face me again. Okay. All right, next test is gonna be a test of, it's a balancing test, okay?
1, 2,
Look at your lead foot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Keep doing it, keep going until you, keep going. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, you can stop.
I grabbed mine because I don't even know your car.
That's all right. You have a gray one or you have a?
Yeah, gray one.
Okay. All right, so this last part is going to be a PBT, okay?
What's a PVC?
It's just a breathalyzer. It's not admissible in court. It's just a gauge to see where you're at, okay?
No, I refuse.
You're not gonna be taking it?
Blood test. Yeah.
Okay. You can turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest for operating while under the influence. At this point, I believe it's causing great bodily harm, but we will determine what that's going to be when that actually gets figured out.
My husband, where's my husband?
I don't know. All right, what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go back to my squad car, and then I have a form I'm gonna read to you. Okay, sir, do you need anything from her?
I just, it's my purse.
Yep. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, sir.
I was just marking you guys as
Okay.
And
All right. Let's.
he had my personal documents.
Such as what?
Like, I feel like I'm missing my phone and missing my driver's license and missing.
I have your driver's license. Is your phone in your purse?
No, it's not in
Okay.
my purse.
Do you mind if we?
I'll look for it.
Yeah, we'll look for it.
Rebecca initially refuses a portable breathalyzer test and is placed under arrest for OWI days before the accident turns deadly.
On their way to Milwaukee.
Can you tell me, is this,
So
what
this
is
will
this
be-
guy doing?
He's currently on his way to Milwaukee, Maine, because it's not looking good.
One partial witness right now. Peter's getting a statement from him.
Okay.
Not even really a good one, but
The only. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna go around to my passenger side. I know I already searched you once, but now that you're under arrest, I'm gonna put you in my car. I'm just gonna make sure you still don't have any weapons on you, anything like that.
No.
Okay. 6 of 6, many in walk and turn, many in one leg stand. So what we normally do in these situations is after I read you a form, we're gonna have we would like a drug recognition expert to come out, and he's gonna run some more tests with you. Is that you don't have to do these, but it would be is it something you'd be willing to do?
I guess I would like my lawyer, I guess.
Well, right now we're not really getting into the lawyer part. This is purely up to you. You don't have to do them. This is one of our DREs here. He runs them. It's literally just this test for the state. It doesn't hurt process. It's just another test that we like to run. If you'd be willing to do one, we'll have one there with us. If you don't want to do one, we don't need one. So it's up to you. I'll let you think about it. We can talk about it in a minute, okay? All right. Why don't you?
I have 3 deputies available in the area. Anytime one of them is like you're in here. Out of your dress.
Anything else from me? I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna take her up. So get plugged real quick. What does he want? Why is he tapping on the window?
He's just obnoxious.
Okay.
Broken record. Same bull.
Okay.
It's not illegal to have a gun when you're drunk.
No, it's not. Since when is this in America, right?
Yeah, America.
Next, Rebecca's taken to a hospital for further testing.
We'll figure it out later, okay? We'll make sure someone gets over to your house, okay? Is it just your dogs at your house? Or do you have any kids at home?
It is, I know. I know it sounds silly.
It's not silly.
It's not anything compared to what that guy is going through in Milwaukee. Or my husband. I'm just so ashamed right now. I just need your mom and dad to know.
Okay. Your husband's okay. He's okay. He's getting checked out in the ED right now, but he's okay.
Okay, miss, so my name's Deputy Kid, I'm from the Sheriff's Office, okay? But I was not there. I don't know what happened exactly. I'm not investigating the crash or anything like that. But I'm a drug recognition expert, so I'm just here to rule out any sort of drug impairment or anything like that. So what I'm going to have you do is go into this PBT, okay? And then when it beeps, that's all I need you to do, okay? Keep going, 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 keep going. All right, thank you.
Here, the former associate principal complies with a breathalyzer test that, according to a criminal complaint, registered as a .109 blood alcohol level.
Here at the call. So do this thing, it's called drug recognition experts. It's fancy, I just do evaluations to see if you're under the influence of drugs. Okay, so is that something you'd be willing to do? It's about 45 minutes. It's consensual, and yeah, it's about 45 minutes.
Am I under arrest?
You are under arrest.
Okay, so I haven't been given my rights, and I prefer if I can.
We haven't asked you any incriminating questions at this point. So we're just doing evidence collection right now. But I am actually about to read you your rights if you would agree to this test.
I would, no, I'm gonna.
Okay.
If you read me my rights, I'm gonna ask for a lawyer.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'm just gonna have you blow into this PBT. We'll read the rights here. There's a bunch of questions here. If you want a lawyer, then we're not gonna ask all those questions. Okay, fair enough? Okay, go ahead.
Is that optional?
You can refuse it if you would like to.
What are the implications of that?
Well, you're gonna be the one that has to go to court and explain to a judge why you were uncooperative with the police.
I'm not trying to be uncooperative, but
I'm just saying, I'm just answering your question.
You haven't read me my rights.
Yep. Well, this isn't TV,
And if
right?
you said I'm under arrest, then you should.
Then what do I have to do?
Then you should read me my
When?
rights.
When?
If I'm under arrest.
When do I read your rights when you're under arrest?
I'm not sure, and that's why
Okay,
I need
see,
to
that's what-
consult a lawyer.
And that's fair, but I'm just telling you, it's not like some sort of malpractice happened
I
here.
don't think that's so. I am a big supporter of the police and.
Oh, that's good, that's good. I'm just,
Part of the police, I just also need to protect myself.
absolutely, and this is the United States, that's the beauty of America, right?
I would prefer to have a lawyer, and I want to be cooperative, but I want to have a lawyer to make sure.
To protect yourself, yeah, absolutely, that's the purpose of.
Eventually, Rebecca agrees to undergo further testing and is taken to another room where she again completes field sobriety tests before one officer fills her in on the victim's condition.
He's all done with his portion of it, okay? You've been cooperative with me so far, okay? But I'll put handcuffs in front of you, okay? But right now we're gonna go up to the jail, okay? All right. So just put your hands up. What's that? So I'm gonna let you know, as of right now, the other individual in the car, the guy in the other car, he is still alive. However, he does have pretty significant injuries. I wasn't able to get a list of what his injuries are right now. But right now, so it's going to be the OWI citation. It's going to be an OWI causing injury citation, and then a failure to yield causing injury as well. Okay? Stuff may change depending on his status, okay? But that's what we're going with at the moment, okay? Do you have any questions on anything right now? Okay. Zucker, do you mind grabbing her? I'm gonna grab my stuff.
Rebecca's charge was later upgraded to homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle. Court records show she pleaded no contest to the charge and was sentenced to 6 years behind bars, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. Subscribe now for easier access to the latest from Law&Crime Bodycam